Too much heat and not enough space for a big fan? Don't worry, today I have got a compact and smart cooling solution just for you. Meet the Portronics CoolCube Mini, a 2-in-1 fan that works both as a desktop fan and a wall-mounted fan. MRP written 2000 approximately, but got the product at a deal price of 750 rupees. Inside the box pack, you will get one Type-C charging cable, one warranty registration card, user manual, and finally the main unit as Portronics CoolCube Mini 2-in-1 fan. Small in size, stylish in design, and super convenient for everyday use. It comes in a modern cube shape made up of premium ABS plastic and in two color variants, this white and another black, that looks clean and minimal on any desk. Two anti-skid bases for firm gripping on the surface. Contains 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. So you get a sturdy base for table use and an option to mount it on the wall, giving you full flexibility. This fan offers multiple speed settings so you can adjust the airflow according to your comfort. This is single button operation switch, notification light and USB Type-C port for charging. First speed setting at 1500 rpm, second mode at 2000 rpm and last highest mode at 2250 rpm. Again press the same button to switch it off. Now feel the cool breeze at different speed settings. First mode, second mode, top mode. This fan offers quiet operation, ultra low noise due to its brushless DC motor, BLDC motor. It is USB powered, which means you can run it using a power bank, laptop or even a mobile charger. This makes it extremely useful during power cuts or while traveling. You can rotate the fan in any direction with its 360-degree rotatable head. Now you can choose any direction of airflow according to your wish. CoolCube Mini works both on a flat surface and on the wall thanks to its included adhesive wall mount bracket. Perfect for compact spaces like kitchen, doors and work areas. Peel it off and paste on the desired portions of the wall according to your wish for hanging the fan. For charging this device, you can use adapter of 5V 1A or such type of power bank and the charging status will be notified by red notification light. Talking about the pros, it's compact, portable, energy efficient and very versatile. The only limitation is that it's designed for a personal use, so it wouldn't cool a large room. So overall, if you want a budget-friendly, stylish and practical mini fan, the Portronics CoolCube Mini is a great choice. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.